All right, welcome to the stream. We are going to be going over what in the hell is Bitcoin doing right now. We seem to be putting in. I have to turn down this music. Good lord! All right, we seem to be putting in. Oh, there it is. A little bit of a situation here. If we do this, so it looks like we're basically putting in a channel here that Bitcoin is going back and forth between. So let's go ahead and see if there's anything that lines up. It looks like the 786 is going to line up with that about right there. Yep, so we have the 618, 786. So this is looking like a pretty solid area to possibly get a short from. Although we do have a lot of space right here. We came down, tested this. We're testing this area. Now is it possible that we come down? Well, let's take a look at the levels here. We do have some daily levels there. Let's look at some negative point of controls. We do have a 4-hour negative point of control there. Don't have any order blocks. Let's see, actually. We do have a 1-hour order block right here that is playing out. Let's see if we have anything on the 30-minute. We do have a nice little 30-minute order block right here as well that could be ended up playing out in this area. So this area, about 49,400, is looking pretty damn sexy. Let's take a look. 49,100. You got some high volume nodes there. All right. Let's see. Is there anything else? We'd have the previous day value area high right here coming in. Yeah, so there are some reasons possibly to get into a little bit of a short in that area, and that could end up, if that does playing out and we do come back down, we could look for a move to the downside possibly of about 14%. If that does end up playing out, or we could come down to the middle of the channel, which would be somewhere around here, which is what I was originally kind of looking for as a play if we are going to possibly look at this as a harmonic from, let's say, here to here to here to, let's say, somewhere around here, to play it down like this. So let's go ahead and look at it like that. Oh, wait, whoops. This is the end of the harmonic right here. So let's say that the harmonic does come somewhere around here, let's say, bouncing off that, coming all the way back down to the middle of the channel, taking out some of these lows and landing somewhere around here, which is this long area that I've been talking about in today's earlier stream. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and leave that out like that. So those are those ideas. To the downside, yeah, I would say either here could be a downside play or somewhere down here. I'm waiting more for down in this area, if I'm honest with you. And then we still have these areas to the upside. Let's take a look at what we could be looking at. Let's say that this is the bottom. Oh boy. The 1-to-1 brings us all the way up to 54,000. What does that line up with? Good lord. My god. I would really like to see it come down to here. That would be pretty nice if it I mean, that would be so nice if it came down to this green box area. Look at that, the 1-to-1 extension lining up with the 618 right above these highs. I'd really want that. But we are above the point of control of this range here. Yeah, and I'm doing all of this stuff live, you guys. Everything is live. So I'm going through the whole entire process of how I'm doing my technical analysis and stuff like that live for you guys. So if you guys enjoy that, if you guys enjoy the live technical analysis, and you guys also want to possibly jump in, make sure that you guys are subscribed and hitting that like button. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying the live technical analysis. So yeah, I would want it to come back down here into the middle of the channel somewhere. Also, too, we do have this nice little support resistance trend line here that's lining up. So it would also still look pretty nice if we did something like this, bounce off that middle of the channel trend line area around here. So that 45,000 area to pump back up. That would be really, really nice. So Yeah, I would say that overnight, the downside still, the area would be around the 45,000. And if we break that, 42,000 possibly. No, that's not, that's a lie. If we go to 42,000, we're going to 40,000, but yes. So let's see if there's anything else up here. Yeah, we have the closed value area low. Let's see. These naked EWAR levels. Yeah, we have the Asia TPO up here. Let's take a look to see what we have if we were to do something like this. So we already hit the 786. The next thing you know, next thing that we have is the 886 lining up with some of these New York levels as well. So if we were to trade this level to level, what would it look like? Well, I would say that if we breach this, the next level would be this 886 level right here. Let's go ahead and take a look to see if we have small range, big range. We do have a high volume node of the big range here. We need to update this bad boy. Good lord, there's so much crap on here. So we have this. Let's pull this, update it. Okay, we still have that high volume node there. So we got the high volume node, 886 right there. Previous day levels, naked previous day levels. We do have the value area high. So this area is looking pretty sexy. And then the next area that I would be looking at for a short would be somewhere up around this area as well. And when I say area 53,200, this is like 51,150 area. And then let's go ahead and look at the naked point of controls. Oh yeah, you got 4-hour naked point of controls here. You got a 12-hour naked point of control there. Let's look at some order block action. You got a 1-hour order block here, 2-hour order block there. So yeah, you have some confluences here. Let's see if we pulled for the downside again. Let's see if we pulled this and this. Look at that. If we do come up to here, the 1-to-1 and the 1.236 are sitting somewhere around here as well. So that's pretty nice. If this is actually the high, that makes a little bit better. Let's see if we hit the 1-to-1 like this. Yeah, we hit the 1.236 to the dollar on that. So if we did it like that. So let's take this whole thing. What if we took it like this? No, I gotta take it like that. So yeah, this I would say that this area right here is for a long. Your last hope for a long would be the 886 area. So I honestly just want to say this whole big ass box, and you'd have a 3% stop loss trying to play it all the way back up like this, but I don't like really big stop losses like that. Because I would say you'd put an order here, here, and here, so your average entry would be somewhere around here. And you'd be playing this as if it's not going to take this low, or you do want it to do that, and you're looking to play it up like that. But, I'm not really trying to, I don't like this risk to reward. I'd say you'd have to kind of wait to see what the reaction is here, because this is kind of dangerous. Kind of dangerous, in my opinion, as far as the risk to reward goes. If you could do something like this, that would make more sense, right? You're playing like the 886. You're playing these lows get taken right here, or something like that. Let's see if there's anything else down there. Yeah, I'd have to say, wait, what the hell? Somebody donated? Can you please review? Yeah, I usually don't do altcoins, but oh, what up, Mike D? What up? You should get the price in real time in here so we can watch that as the price. I don't know what you mean. The price is right here, 48. The price is right here, 48,719. Can you please review NIMQ NMI? I'm not sure what that is. Lucas, in the chat, can you let me know what exchange it's on and then what the pair is? Is it NIM USD? let me know about that, and then I'll get to it. But I appreciate that donation, man. Thank you very much. So yeah, I would say I hate to be this person. It says that YouTube is not receiving enough data. I guess it's lying to me. It might be lying. But anyways, yeah, I want to try to keep this short. I don't really want to put like a box here, and then I guess that, and I don't want to say like put a box here and then put a box here. That doesn't really make any sense. I would just say that the whole box covers this area, but I mean, that to me is like cheating. I can't just say a massive range between a $2,000 range, but I mean, I guess I can say that. So yeah, those are my ideas. So again, to wrap it up, KuCoin USDT pair. Okay. Because again, the fact that we're doing this, you know, we haven't broken this high. So I would actually, wait a minute. I drew that wrong. So we're doing this. We haven't broken this high, so to sit here and try to long right here to play it up, that's kind of dangerous, you know? Like, why wouldn't we just make a lower low? We are in bearish market structure, so that's why I'm saying to do that is kind of insane, because you'd have to do something like this to even come close to justifying trying to take a long. If you are not around the computer, to just leave a limit order waiting right here, I mean, that would, you'd be insane to take a trade like that. That's terrible. So yeah, but I think just by default, I'm going to have to do it like this. So, those are my plans. Oh yeah, also too, for the next possible short opportunity, I'm going to be asleep, so I'm not going to take it. I don't like taking trades while I'm asleep. But yeah, I would say that this area is looking pretty good. 49350. 49350 is a pretty good area. So I'm going to leave that here. And here is my prediction from a little bit earlier today. I was saying that price is going to come down to here and come up. So we did come down to this exact area. Also too, if you guys watched the previous stream, you'll see that I was calling for this short. You guys can go and watch it yourself if you'd like to. I was calling for this short right here this morning for these reasons. And then I was also calling for a long down here for these reasons. So if you just blindly followed my non-financial advice, you could have been up 5% on that short trade. And if you were to blindly follow my non-financial advice here, you'd be up currently 3% in that trade. So all that was called this morning before it happened. You guys can check that out if you guys would like. But anyways, yeah, I think I'm done. It's about to be 6 o'clock my time. I need to go to sleep. NIM. So let's go ahead and get over to NIM. And we're going to leave these green boxes here to kind of see what happens. So we got the rectangulars. Got this long 2 idea. Yeah, so NIM. Let's see if we can find this coin. NIM USDT. And you said it was on KuCoin. Let's check it out. What are we looking at here? What are we looking at? Damn, we hit that 1-to-1 to the doll hair. The doll. You gotta say it like that too. The doll hair. Then we hit the 618 to the doll hair again. Let's put this on the 2 hour. I want to say that we hit the point of control. Boom, to the doll hair on that too. Point of control, doll hair, back up, back down to the 786. How much you guys want to make a bet that from here to here, this is like the 786? Oh my lord. Nope, it's not. It's the 886. I lied. I'm a terrible trader. That could make sense. Price is going to want to come up to here to take... Oh, wait, we already took these highs. I mean, let's take a look and see what's going on here. Oh, wait a minute. I was doing... Is this thing going sideways, or is it bull flagging? It's not bull flagging. It looks like it's going sideways. Looks like it's going sideways, like this. You guys, I'm not trying to be a YouTube whore, but I don't ever trade any other coins. So the only way I'm looking at coins is if people donate, but I'm also asking do not donate because I don't want to look at other coins. All I do is trade Bitcoin. So I will only take altcoin requests if there's a donation, but I'm also asking please don't donate. Please don't. Save your money. Save your money. But yeah. Because like I said, I literally only trade Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, by the technicals, I would say that this is a good area to short, but I don't know anything necessarily really about this coin. And we're just, like I said, we're just ranging, really. We also could be doing a range like this, you know? So if you, it depends on which range you're following. If you're following this high, this, you know, are you following that range, or are you going to follow this sideways range, which is we are up, we're down, we're up, we're down, we're up. So now it's time to come down. So maybe we end up combining both of these ranges and we just end up doing this before the breakout, you know? So I don't know. You never want to long at resistance. You never want to long at resistance. Never. If you would have longed here, stopped. 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 But if you longed here, you're good. If you longed here, you're good. If you longed here, you're good. If you shorted, you're good. So I mean, a part of me is leaning more towards the short side of things because, you know, we've had 2 taps to this bottom side, but haven't been able to break up above that. So to me, I'd say, you know, look for a possible breakout with volume up above these highs to actually confirm it. And then you'd have to take profit here, or you'd want to possibly short right here to bring it all the way back down to the bottom of this channel. So that's kind of what I am thinking on that coin. So hopefully that helps you out, Lucas Vasconcelos. So thank you. And big shout out to Mr. Mike D, who's always in the house. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little quick summary on the Bitcoin. Again, just to recap, overnight I would be expecting a possible pullback from that area. Or I'd be looking for this area or this area, 53,000, 51,000, and 49,300 as the different support, as the different resistance levels. And then the support is anywhere between 45,000 to 43,000 is what I would be kind of looking at there. So as my computer completely freezes on me, I appreciate you guys. And again, if you guys have any questions, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that like, and we will be back later. Peace out.